So welcome back. Here in this video, we will take a mini challenge using HTML, CSS and JavaScript that we have learned up to this time to make a circle and disappear that circle when we click on that circle. Okay, so for this I have created a file with the name of mini.html and here I have opened this file. So here we go with creating this file. So first of all we have to use HTML, and then within the HTML we have to use head, and within the head we have to use title, and here we give title as mini challenge in Java script. Okay, so then we have to write the body. Now we know that in order to create the circle we have to make a section over there. So for that we will use div element, and here we use one class. So I'm just giving the name to the class as circle, and here we are going to creating three circles of different colors, say red, green and blue. So here I have to use id, and here I use id red circle. Okay, close this. So this way if we save this file and here we go refresh, nothing is going to be appear over here because as of now we have not styled this div. So style this div we have to use the concept of CSS. So here we will write some style sheet coding over there. So for that we have to use style element, and here we have to give the type equal to text or CSS, and then here we go writing this. So first we need to create a class. So for creating the class we have to use dot symbol, then we have to give the name of the class. Here we have chosen the name of the class as circle. So here we go creating the class circle, and in the circle we have to first specify width. So here we width need, say we want width of 150 pixels, and then here we say we want height, so that is again equal to 150 pixel to say. And then we need, in order to make it, but this will make a square, so in order to make it circle so we have to use the border radius property, and here we have to give it value 50%. Then here we go with say we need to have we want it to be on the float size, so we want it to float left, so 3 circle in a line. So then float left, and I wanted to give it margin to the right side of the circle, so around say 20 pixel. That's it. So now I have to create another id over here. So in order to create the id I have to use the hash, then we have to give the name of the id. So we have chosen the id as a red circle. Then we go writing the body for this. Here we have to use background color, say red. Okay, now save this. Here we go, refresh this. Now look at this, a circle is created with background red color. So we need to have 3 circles over there. So we go copy this, control this, paste it here, and here we want to have say blue, and we just wanted to give this id as say green. Similarly we have to control C, we want the circle of the same size but different background color. So for this we have to create 2 more IDs, and to this I have to give name, say blue, and here the color, background color blue, and to this I have to give green, and here the color green. Now save this. Okay, now here we go, save this and refresh it. Aha, look at this, 3 circles are created over here. Now we wanted to write an event. If we click on this circle, it will go disappear. If we click on this, if we go click on this, so it will go disappear. So for this we have to write JavaScript. So in order to write JavaScript, we have to use script element here, and here we have to give again the type, and type is text or JavaScript. Okay. So here we go writing. So first you have to access the documents within this document. So first you have to access the element within this document. So for that you have to write document dot get element by ID, and here the ID for this red circle is red, sorry, red, so we misspell it with red circle, and here we have to write on click equal to, here we have to create a function. So function is created using this, and then we have to write the body of the function within the curly bracket. So here what we have to do, again we have to access that element within the document. So here to write document dot get element by ID, and here again the ID is red circle. Now here we have to use style, then display property of CSS, and here we have to set the value equal to none. Okay, done with this. Now save this, and here we go refreshing this. If we click on this, nothing is going to be happen over here. If we click on this, this disappears. Okay, similarly if you want this to be, if we click on this button, this is going to be disappear. If you want to click on this, this is going to be disappear. So same, we will write, copy this, Control C, and here we go copy this, and here we have to give the value, say blue, then here again we have to give the value blue, again paste it over here. Here we have to give the value green, now save this all, and here we go refreshing this. Now if we click on the green, if we click over here, nothing is going to be happen over here. We have to click on this, we have to make this event to be clicked on the particular circle with having ID. Now if we click on the green, then green will go disappear. If you click on this red, this red will go disappear. If we click on this, this will go disappear. Okay, so up to this time we have whatever we have learned that we have implemented in this mini project. Now in the coming lessons we will go with actual programming and actual coding of Java script. So for this we are going to be learn variables in our coming video. That's all for now. Wish you the best. Have a good day.